He's broking this side here to make door for this extension room attached for this our room. Now they start already to put blocks. Their first day today to put blocks. Today is May 27 and today is Monday, and time now in Pakistan is 8:20 a.m. It's nice weather. It's a sunny day, but it's no problem. Weather is good here in our village of Rawlakot. Our village name is Creek Rawlakot. First day they made. This is door and this is window here. And I think there is two more blocks or one block with that frame of door. Ayan, ito yung natapos nila. Morning time they start 8 o'clock. Now they go already before 5 o'clock. Now time now is 6:30 p.m. So tomorrow they will come back here again. And then after that they will make this one plaster and then this flooring, and I don't know what they will do more. And also this one they have to broke this one shade here. Same they make here. Hindi natapos ang flooring, semento kasi kulang yung yung materials na yung sand, yung buhangin. Kaya stop nila. Sana kung may buhangin, ito makumpleto. Matapos. Kasi 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Pakistan time, natapos nila ito eh. Tapos naubusan ng materials. Walang available na sasakyan na magdadala dito. Kaya bukas ituloy itong pag semento flooring. So ito yung progress na ginawa nila within 3 days. Ayan. Yung niya, yung taas niya, itong blocks ay ito tama na ito. Ayan. Tapos yung dito yung dating shade dito tinanggal kasi gagawin itong baranda o kaya terrace. So tinanggal dito yung yung shade, kaya ito yung tinanggal. At saka yung dito din Ayan. Magaling yung ano, yung mason, yung gumawa nito. Ito naman yung window, door dito. Ito yung window, at saka ito naman yung ano, yan yung maliit na window. Parang ano ito, kusina. Kusina with ano na, with parang ano, kusina at the same time ano din, room din. Pero malaki ito na ano, na kusina at saka room. Ayan.